Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines the power of artificial intelligence with small business ideas. If you've ever wondered how you can leverage AI to make money and grow your small business, you're in the right place. I'm thrilled to share some valuable insights with you today. Part 1. Understanding AI and its potential. Before we jump into the small business ideas, let's quickly cover the basics of AI and its potential. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It enables computers to learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. AI has already transformed various industries, from healthcare and finance to marketing and customer service. Its applications are vast, and there's a significant opportunity for small businesses to tap into this technology. Part 2. AI in small business. Now, let's explore how AI can be integrated into small business operations and strategies. Here are some effective ways to make money with AI. 1. Personalized product recommendations. AI-driven recommendation systems can analyze customer data and behavior to suggest products tailored to their preferences. This can increase sales and customer satisfaction. 2. Chatbots and customer support. Implementing AI-powered chatbots on your website or social media channels can provide 24/7 customer support, saving time and resources while enhancing user experience. 3. Data analytics. Utilize AI to analyze vast amounts of data and gain valuable insights into market trends, customer behavior, and business performance. Informed decision-making can lead to higher profitability. 4. Predictive maintenance. For businesses handling physical products or equipment, AI can predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime and minimizing repair costs. 5. Social media marketing. AI tools can analyze social media trends and user interactions, enabling you to create targeted marketing campaigns and reach the right audience. 6. Content creation. Some AI platforms can help generate content, such as blog posts or product descriptions, saving you time and effort. Part 3. Choosing the right AI tools. Now that we've explored the potential of AI in small businesses, it's essential to choose the right tools for your needs. Here are some tips to help you decide. 1. Define your goals. Identify the specific areas where you want to use AI to improve your business. This will help you narrow down the most suitable tools. 2. Research AI solutions. There are many AI platforms available, so research their features, user reviews, and pricing to find the best fit for your budget and requirements. 3. Start small. If you're new to AI, start with a pilot project to test its effectiveness before fully integrating it into your business. 4. User-friendly interface. Look for AI tools with intuitive interfaces that you and your team can easily navigate and use effectively. Part 4. Implementing AI in your small business. It's time to put your AI plans into action. Here's a step-by-step guide to implementing AI in your small business. 1. Data collection. Gather relevant data from your business operations, customers, and other sources. High-quality data is crucial for AI to yield accurate results. 2. Data privacy. Remember to prioritize data privacy and comply with regulations to protect your customers' information. 3. Training AI models. Depending on the AI tool, you might need to train the system using your data to customize it to your business needs. 4. Integration. Integrate the AI tools into your website, apps, or business processes seamlessly. Part 5. Monitor, evaluate, and improve. Congratulations! Your small business is now AI enhanced. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continuous improvement is essential. Monitor the AI's performance, gather feedback, and make necessary adjustments to optimize its impact on your business. Closing. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you found this guide on making money with AI using small business ideas helpful. Embracing AI can give your small business a competitive edge and open up new possibilities for growth. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with AI in your small business, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Until next time, stay innovative and keep growing your business with the power of AI. Take care.